Meet Captain Achoo, a superhero with the power of uncontrollable sneezing and dramatic flair. He's here to save the day, one sneeze at a time. Meanwhile, a petty thief named Sneaky Sam tries to steal a giant rubber chicken from a quirky shop. He tiptoes, but his comically oversized shoes squeak loudly. Just as Sam grabs the chicken, Captain Achoo sneezes spectacularly, sending him flying into a stack of pies. Pies everywhere! But wait, Captain Achoo has hay fever! Every sneeze makes him accidentally trip over his own cape, causing more chaos. As the situation escalates, a dog wearing sunglasses joins the fray, chasing the thief, while Captain Achoo creates a whirlwind of confusion with his sneezes. In an ironic twist, Captain Achoo inadvertently saves the day. The dog catches Sam, and the townsfolk cheer, mistaking the chaos for a dramatic rescue. As Captain Achoo basks in his newfound fame, he sneezes one last time, launching himself into a nearby tree. Heroism has its price.